Hello friends, welcome to SAPIS. Friends, if you want to know the benefits of studying abroad and in Malaysia, you can check out my video Study in Malaysia without IELTS. And if you want to know the admission and visa process to Malaysian universities, you can check out my video Malaysian Universities Admission and Visa. Friends, I will put both the video links in description. You please check it out. Friends, today I will be talking about benefits of studying in Singapore. Singapore or Republic of Singapore is referred to as both an island and a country. It is made up of 63 islands and is also called as city-state. Singapore is derived from Singapura, which means lion city. It is one of the richest countries in the world with a developed, successful, stable economy, favorable business environment and absence of corruption. Singapore is renowned for having some of the cleanest cities in the world, as it has 50,000 strong cleaning workforce employed to keep the streets clean. It is the safest countries in the world with world-class amenities. Public places are extremely hygienic and smoke-free. Singapore is a garden city as its highest areas are under trees. It has a pleasant temperature with 22 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius all the year round. Friends, you cannot chew a gum in Singapore. Singapore is also the land of shopping malls. It has the world's lowest unemployment levels. Friends, for years UK, USA, Australia are popular destinations for students who want to study abroad. But now, students are exploring other options which can offer them world-class education. Singapore is fast emerging as popular destination, especially for Indian students, as it is close to India geographically but culturally as well. Friends, Singapore education is world-class and it is the most popular study destination in Asia. It has high-quality education institutes. Two of its university, National University of Singapore and Nanyang Technological University, are ranked in World Top 20. Singapore is a multicultural environment where students from all over the world are studying in Singapore. It is the safest country for students. It has affordable fees as compared to UK, USA and Australia. All courses are available: business and management, computers and IT, engineering, hospitality and tourism, architecture, law, design, etc. It has got lot of job opportunities. As Singapore is a hub of global economy, many companies are setting up their offices in Singapore. More than 7,000 MNC offices are there in Singapore. Friends, in Singapore, if you want to do an undergraduate program, say BBA, that is Bachelor of Business Administration, which is of 3 years. So first year will be Diploma in Business Administration, second year will be Advanced Diploma in Business Administration, and third year will be your Bachelor degree top-up program. So you can do Diploma and Advanced Diploma from one college and bachelor's degree from other college. So that is how it is in Singapore. Friends, Singapore colleges are also offering transfer programs. If you are doing an undergraduate program, so you can study 2 years in Singapore and 1 year in Australia, UK or USA. And if you are doing a master's program, so you can study 1 semester in Singapore and another semester in UK, USA or Australia. Friends, some diploma programs like hospitality and tourism, logistics, supply chain management and construction management are offering paid internship. So these programs are for 1 year, which includes 6 months paid internship arranged by the college. So first 6 months will be study, then next 6 months will be paid internship. So the cost of the program will be around 3 to 3.5 lakh rupees yearly, and in internship you can earn around 60 to 70,000 rupees per month. So by doing this program, you will gain international qualification as well as work experience. That is very important in getting a job in Singapore. So after completing this program, either you can try a job in any other company, or you can ask your company where you have done your internship to help you with the work visa and all. Friends, Singapore has a easy visa processing. You have to show 1 day's old fund in your account or in your sponsor account and apply the visa. Friends, if you are interested to study in Singapore, you can contact me. I do not charge anything from my students. Thanks for watching. Bye and take care.